Wire transferring to the cryptosphere. Does Coinbase play ball? Hey crypto enthusiasts! Ever dreamed of going big on your next crypto purchase but felt limited by traditional payment methods? Fear not, because today we're diving deep into the world of fiat deposits on Coinbase. Specifically, does Coinbase accept wire transfers? Now, before we dissect the nitty-gritty, let's rewind a bit. We all know Coinbase is a powerhouse when it comes to buying, selling, and trading cryptocurrencies. But with the ever-growing crypto market, navigating deposit options can feel like navigating a crypto maze. So, why wire transfers? Well, for some folks, wire transfers offer a sense of security and control, especially for larger investments. Plus, depending on your bank's processing times, they can be a relatively quick way to get funds into your Coinbase account. Alright, enough with the suspense. Let's cut to the chase. Does Coinbase accept wire transfers? The answer is a conditional yes. Here's the breakdown. Coinbase versus Coinbase Prime. There's a slight difference depending on the type of Coinbase account you hold. For regular Coinbase users, wire transfers are not currently available as a deposit method. Coinbase focuses on ACH transfers and debit card purchases for these accounts. Coinbase Prime. Now, for those of you wielding the power of a Coinbase Prime account, wire transfers are an option. Coinbase Prime caters to high-volume investors and institutions, so wire transfers make sense for larger transactions. Here's the catch. Even with Coinbase Prime, setting up wire transfers requires additional verification steps. You'll need to provide details like your bank's routing number, account number, and potentially some additional information to link your bank account for wire deposits. Important note, Coinbase also emphasizes using a bank account in your own name that matches the name on your Coinbase account. This is to prevent any security issues and ensure smooth transactions. Thinking of using a wire transfer? Here are a few additional things to keep in mind. Fees. Be sure to check with your bank for any outgoing wire transfer fees. These can vary depending on your bank and the amount you're transferring. Coinbase itself may also have associated fees, so double-check their pricing structure before initiating the transfer. Processing times. Wire transfers generally take a few business days to complete. This might be a tad slower than some other deposit methods, but the added security and control for larger sums can be worth the wait. Accuracy is key. Double-check, triple-check. Make sure all your bank information and reference codes provided to Coinbase are absolutely accurate. Any typos or mismatched information can lead to delays or even failed transfers. The takeaway: while wire transfers aren't an option for standard Coinbase accounts, Coinbase Prime users can leverage them for larger deposits. Just remember to factor in potential fees and processing times, and ensure all your information is squeaky clean before hitting send. So, there you have it. I hope this video cleared the air on whether Coinbase accepts wire transfers. Remember, crypto is a dynamic space, so keep an eye out for any updates or changes to deposit options on Coinbase. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy crypto adventures.